I believe nowadays the most popular elevator design is a road elevator. Apart from the mechanical framework of the whole elevator systems, we also need a computer systems in order to run the whole task. The computer job is to process all the relevant information about the elevator and turn the motor the correct amount to pull the elevator vehicles where it needs to be. In order to do this, the computer needs to know at least three things. First, where people want to go. Second, where each floor is. Third, where the elevator vehicle is. Well, to figure out where people want to go is very easy. The buttons on the elevator vehicle inside and the buttons on each floor are all wired to the computer systems. Whenever you press any of those buttons, the computer logs the request. And there's a lot of ways to figure out where the vehicle is. In one common systems, a light sensor or magnetic sensor on each side of the vehicle reads the series holes on the long vehicle trap in the tunnel. By counting the holes speeding by, the computer knows exactly where the vehicle is in the tunnel. And also in the systems, it has also got a load sensor in the vehicle floor. The load sensor tells the computer how full the vehicle is. If the vehicle is near capacity, the computer will not take any more pickup. Stop. As I have explained, the basic knowledge of the elevator computer control system, how it works. Now I would like to investigate why the elevator in the Strand does not work properly. The reason for that is because if you have a look at the diagram here, it shows the whole commands of the computer systems. It works every time. The diagram in here shows the set timer. Whenever we press the button, it activates the set timer and sends a request to the wait timer. In the wait timer, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to transfer the signals to the computer systems and carry out the order to the elevator, back to the elevator, which close the door and then go to the floor the passenger wishes to go. However, if we press the button again, it will restart the wait timer, which means we need to wait for another 10 seconds in order to complete the whole command. If the person in the elevator gets tempered and press the button frequently, it will take longer and longer to finish the whole command, and that explains why the elevator does not work properly. But I've also heard a rumor that if somebody moves out, the elevator works normally again. The answer for that is because, as I've mentioned, there's a load sensor in the elevator floor. If some people move out, the load of the elevator has significant change, which means it will clear the previous memory and compile the program again, which is 10 seconds. And that would explain why it works if somebody moves out. Anyway, my analysis is finished, and I've got another lecture to get on with. So, see you next time. Bye bye.